Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 freezing issue on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to the client where you bought the GTA 5, for me Steam, and then you just need to go to library, right click on the game, go to properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that can cause this problem, so first go ahead and do so. It will take you a couple of minutes, and after that you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to do so, the first thing what you need to do here, go on search, then press on search bar and write check for updates, and then press check for updates on this button. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers. Just on search, write device manager, then go to display adapters, select your GPU, right click on it, go to update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And if this doesn't help, then you need to go again on search, then you need to just write here view advanced system settings, and on this window you need to be on advanced, then settings, then make sure to select this option here, adjust for the best performance, then you need to go to advanced, select change here, take down this button here, then go to custom size, and then right here 4096, and here 4096, right? And then apply the changes. And after that, if still your game is freezing, then you need to go to graphics settings, then you should see here your GTA 5, right click, just click on it, go to options and select high performance, and then you need to look if your game is freezing or not. And if your game is still freezing, then another thing that you need to do here is to go to settings, go to gaming, make sure game mode is selected here, and then captures is turned off, record what happened is turned off, and also Xbox game bar is turned off as well. And after that you need to then press Windows Anaki, or simply just on search write run, and here you need to write temp, press OK, and then delete all the files from this window, and delete from the bin as well after you delete from this window, and then press Windows Anaki again and just go to and write run on search, and then here you need to add percentages on temp here. And then the next step what you need to do here is to press OK, and here also delete all the files that is on this folder. And some files we cannot delete, so just skip. And after that, also delete the file from the system from your bin here as well. And after you do so, the last thing that you can do here is to run the game, run GTA 5, and then open up your task manager. And once your game is running, you should see basically the little icon of your game, GTA 5. Currently I'm not running it, but probably you will get the point. So what you need to do here is to right click on the game here, and then it's not working. Let's select another one, let's say Steam, and then when you click right click on the game, you should see go to details, then you will be redirected to your game exe file. So you need to then set priority to high here, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here if your game is freezing. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.